What's up, guys? How's it going? Volatile here, aka John. I'm going to be talking about today why did crypto crash? And I'm saying crash because those are the terms that are being used right now on Twitter, and it's pretty hilarious. But before I do go ahead and move forward, guys, I do want to go ahead and say I am not a financial advisor. Anything I do say or talk about in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. All right, guys, and always make sure to go ahead and stay till the end of the video. I usually go into these rants, but I really want to go ahead and get the message out there to everybody to go ahead and understand the psychology of the market and what is really going on out in the world. Stop getting influenced by these YouTubers and influencers you see in the Twitter and YouTube space, right? They're all full of it. They have no idea what they're talking about and they are clueless. They really have no idea what's going on with the market. And if if you guys have been listening to our channel, we've been spitting nothing but fire ever since. All right, guys, and now we're actually beginning to go in a little bit more deeper with bringing in more value to those that are subscribed to our channel. And if you guys are new to our channel, welcome to the Lux Fiat channel. Definitely go ahead and hit the like, comment, subscribe as well, and definitely go ahead and join our Discord channel that is currently valued at $3,000. And you guys could actually go ahead and get that for free just by subscribing and just hitting the link. All right, guys. So there is a project that I am going to be talking about today as well. It is called Crypto to Credit. I think it was like Crypto to Card. I'll go ahead and go into details about the project, but what happened in the markets, what's going on, right, guys? So why is everybody freaking out? You guys are pretty much aware, I'm sure, with what's going on with this whole war. It's all BS. It sucks with what's going on. But like I said, guys, it's all part of the plan. It's all part of the Federal Reserve to go ahead and do this, to go ahead and have another reason to continue to inflate and continue to rise the prices on everything. This is extremely bullish for us, guys. Do not panic. In situations like this is when you continue to buy the dip, hold, and just continue to buy. All right, guys. This is a situation where, having fiat currency, it is definitely not the move due to the fact of rising rates and inflation. So with the cost of everything going up, whether that's gas, especially with gas, it's what's going to be taking a massive hit. And like I said, that is their main goal, to go ahead and get rid of the middle class and to go ahead and implement their new world order. So they're willing to go ahead and do anything they can in their favor to go ahead and make that happen and make sure it does happen. So definitely do expect a very volatile market in the next coming days. Like I said, I did predict the market to go ahead and at least begin to recover next week. But as soon as those news broke out, the market took it very good. Stock market made a massive pump to the upside as well with the crypto. The dips were bought up right away, guys. So this is smart money right behind that is making those decisions, and dumb money, the ones that are uninformed, which if you guys are subscribed to the channel and you guys are watching the video right now, you guys are no longer considered dumb money. You guys are considered now smart money, because the way we do things here is we think like the big whales and we go ahead and follow in their footsteps of what these big whales, banks, and institutions are doing. All right, guys. So if you guys are already watching this video and are subscribed to our channel, you guys already have an upper leverage to any other YouTuber out there. Like I said, I can guarantee you no other YouTuber out there is speaking the knowledge that we have, and as well as any influencer in the space. That is the reason why we are going to dominate this crypto space very soon. But anyways, guys, you guys already have an upper hand on this because you guys are aware with actual facts of information of what's going on and the way the market is going to react. So a lot of these people are currently in fear mode. Do not panic, guys. Like I said, we will be seeing new all-time highs, and the market reacted very well as well with the stock market currently right now with the whole entire thing, how they're declaring nuclear war, another fear tactic they're going to use. Definitely the market did not react pretty well with it, at least on futures. It did kind of dump. Well, we're going to go ahead and see how the market opens tomorrow. We might go ahead and dump and might bounce back, but really we don't know. But like I said, guys, I really do think everything is bullish. Market is good. Like I said, at the end of the day, not financial advice. So always invest in where you're willing to lose. And And always believe in what you're doing, all right, guys? If you guys do not believe in what you're doing, you definitely will not be able to hold on to hard times like we are going through in the market. So right now, Bitcoin is looking pretty well. The 4 hourly is looking good. We're going to go ahead and see if we can break above that. The daily, we have been red for the past 3 days, but we are looking pretty good. We're still at a really good support area. So no complaints there at all. We go ahead and switch over to the weekly. We still are oversold territory. We're going to go ahead and see how this week ends, right, guys? So let's go ahead and talk about the project we were actually looking at. The project is called Crypto to Card, and I think this is a perfect project right now at the time being, especially with what's going on with the news and people are running to the banks right now, and at least in Russia, they're all running to the banks, and Ukraine, they're rushing to the banks to go ahead and pull out money, and because of what's going on with Swiss. So definitely, guys, this is a moment where white crypto is very beneficial to go ahead and have. It's always to become your own bank, and the way you become your own bank is by holding assets like crypto and gold and silver. That's how you go ahead and become your own bank. Do not depend on any government, especially any banking system. This is the way you guys can go ahead and be in control of your own money with regardless of anything happening, you guys will still be able to cash out. So this project is actually called Crypto to Card. I kind of spoke about it in the last previous videos, but let's go ahead and go deep down analysis. So this, you actually earn passive income by holding C2C, and you earn BNB, which is really cool. This is what the dashboard looks like. And if you guys are looking to go ahead and jump in this project, like I said, crypto2card.io, and then you just click right here to go ahead and click on the address and then go on PancakeSwap to do. So what is this project, right? You convert your cryptocurrency assets to a virtual prepaid credit card that allows you to pay for goods, services anonymously online. We work worldwide, so you can purchase virtual prepaid cards from anywhere in the world and use them to pay online websites, MasterCard, and Visa. So what does it help you with? Safe online shopping. You change your rewards. You can earn up to 10% on every transaction. Physical credit cards, rewards and reinvest. Anti-whale mechanism. Sells larger than 0.1 of the total supply in a single transaction will be rejected. This will allow to reduce swing trading and break whales in control, and they have professional support. I have not tried the support team, so I don't know how well that is. Like I said, always do your own research, guys. You guys can go ahead and head over to their Twitter right here by clicking on that, and it takes you straight to their Twitter page, all right?
It seems that all has been contained for now, according to General Zool. This has been the Unknown Species News. Check back for live coverage daily.
So how does it work, right? You choose your card, select the different type of cards that you're looking for, and we're going to go over those different kind of cards. Use your C2 tokens, convert those tokens into fiat, into a prepaid card. No documents needed, which means no KYC. And then you just get your card, whether that's through email or through mail, depending on the kind of card you choose. So there's 3 different selections of cards you guys could go ahead and go after. The internet card, and it tells you right here, insurance fee $10. Virtual non-reloadable, meaning you can't go ahead and add money to it. Once you add, let's say $100 and you want to add an additional $100, you can't. Okay? And then it tells you right here, minimum, max, and then the fee, and then how long it's for, and how fast you deliver it. And that's virtual. This is a gold card. It is a virtual reloadable, which means you can add money in the future. Let's say you spend $300 and you want to add more, you can add an additional $300 if you want for your purchase. And it is a universal card, brand MasterCard, insurance and fee $50. Physical, yes, you could actually withdraw on the ATM. By the way, these you can't. Minimum load is 1,000, maximum is 2,000, and it tells you right here delivery is 3 to 4, and then fee is 5 to 10. And you guys can just go ahead and click on create your card, and then that's how you go ahead and create it. So it tells you right here tokenomics. With a max supply of 1 trillion tokens, only and 16.84% burned so far, C2C has a limited supply to make inflation is kept under control, unlike the US dollar. 12% 12% of every buy transaction is taken and redistributed 8% to C2C holders in BNB 1% liquidity pool, 3% to development and marketing, and sale transaction a tax of 18% is distributed 10% to C2C holders and BNB, 2% of liquidity pool, 6% to development and marketing. So in total, I believe in total that would be 18% tax. So that is pretty high. I'm gonna be honest, that is pretty high. But it says 16% is burned, so we'll see. So it tells you right here on the roadmap what's going on, when they're going to go ahead and begin marketing. I really wish they did actually come through with a time of day or whether they already executed any of this. If they at least have an idea, like whether Q1, Q2, I would definitely like them to go ahead and upload that. That would be really cool. And then they go ahead and tell you here how you guys could go ahead and shop on AliExpress, PayPal, and all these different things. You guys can go down right here to frequently asked questions, write down your information. It says right here sponsors and partners, but realistically, I think the only one is PooCoin and PancakeSwap at the moment and BSC Scan, because if you hover right next to it, it doesn't show the little pointer. So I don't know if that's what they're thinking of going after. We'll go ahead and find out. So let's go ahead and see what else I could go ahead and let you guys know about. Okay, so how it works, we already went over that. And I guess this is the dashboard right here where you guys can go ahead and get your rewards, pending, total, withdraw. This is where you guys get paid. Tokenomics, cards, and more. Let's see what else can we go. So they say they're KYC. Let's see how KYC they are. So it says they're KYC, which means know your customer. Certifies as the mentioned project has been virtually verified by Intern Network, and it tells you right here. But then again, this gives you a disclaimer as well. The roadmap we already went into. If you guys want to go ahead and read into the white paper, which is right here. It gives you an introduction of what they're looking for, safe online shopping, anti-whale, tokenomics. So it tells you a little bit right here, better understanding. So it's actually a 12% buy tax and then an 18% sell tax, which I really, you know how I feel about those projects with the high taxes, but let's go ahead and see where it actually goes. So 8% of those taxes in the buy actually go to C2C holders. So that's actually really good. And then on the sell tax, 2% goes into liquidity, 6% into development and marketing, and 10% into C. So that's actually really good. So we get an additional about 18% back on your buy and sell for BNB holders, for C2C holders, sorry. So that is really cool. It gives you more information on how to go ahead and do this. And it gives you the roadmap right here. Like I said, I would really like the fact that if it was actually, you know, like Q1, Q2. If you guys are still watching this video, thank you very much. Let's go ahead and thank our sponsor, MetaFest 22. You guys should be seeing a video right now. So that. So that should be done with. So let's go ahead and head on to the charts. And let me go ahead and actually mention my concerns about this project. So I like this project, the fact that it requires no KYC, doesn't require your social, any information. You guys just go ahead and load up your card, load up your crypto, and you guys now have money that you guys could actually physically go ahead and pull out at the ATM. So that is really cool. I have not jumped into the project yet, but I am looking at it because it does look like a buying opportunity and a really good product. But I'm just letting that out there right now. I am looking for a position at the moment. I'm just waiting for the right time. All right, guys? So like I said, not only do you earn the passive income, but as well, you guys can go ahead and take out your crypto that is on your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet, and now you guys can go ahead and convert that into crypto without having to go through Coinbase, Crypto.com, any other centralized exchange, and then going through the hassle of waiting and then waiting for it to go to your bank. You know, without having to do that, you guys can just go ahead and whether you guys are on MetaMask or Trust wallet, you guys can instantly flip your crypto into the cards and use them and cash out for cash, all anonymously. So that is really cool. I really do like the fact of that. Literally becoming your own central bank with your own personal control. So we go ahead and look into the charts. So there is about 1,800 holders, really new project at the moment with a market cap of 657,000. That's usually what we want to look at. We want to look at market caps that are below $1 million or 2 million because that means there's higher opportunity to make more money. So there is a total liquidity about 400,000, which I really do like. I have not looked at the liquidity lock for how long it is. Let's see. Let's go ahead and check real quick. But I mean, the fact that they have over 400,000 liquidity locked, that looks really cool. And well, doesn't not that it looks really cool, but it's very useful to go ahead and have that liquidity to be locked for that long, you know? So let's go ahead and see if we can find the token real quick. All right. Anyways, we'll go ahead and look into that some other time. But yeah, so the chart is looking really good to go ahead and jump into, guys. So right now is a really good buying opportunity at the moment. Right now, like I said, not financial advice. This is on a daily ever since from its launch date, which was on January. It has been nothing but dumped. But keep in mind, the market has been dumping because of fears of everything that's going on. Like I said, guys could actually go ahead and jump in below the IPO price, which is really good. So you guys are looking to go ahead and make some money. I think this project is easily 10x, especially with the bull run coming in. But just short term, you guys could easily expect a 3x. So the whole market is red. Like I said, guys, go ahead and check out Crypto 2 Card. I think it's a really solid project. I will be looking to be buying in. And if you guys have missed out, if you guys could go ahead and check out on the charts, the only thing currently green in the market right now, it's obviously Sriracha Inu. So definitely go ahead and jump in. Do not forget. And I just want to go ahead and thank everybody for hitting 400 subscribers. Really grateful for every one of you. And like I said, go ahead and leave a comment. We definitely like to go ahead and keep in contact. And till later, guys. Really, really appreciate every one of you. And I'll catch you guys on Tuesday.
What is that? It's red and gooey and it, did it just move? No, get away from me!